Hi, my name is Luke LaPointe from the Inductive Sensing Group at Texas Instruments. Today, I want to show you how to use the LDC0851 EVM for close-range proximity applications. The LDC0851 is a contactless switching technology, which does not require the use of magnets or require direct line of sight. Now, this improves the robustness and reliability in a wide range of environments. So, to get started, simply connect 5 volts through a USB cable to the connector, or use a CR2032 battery and insert it in the back. Select USB or BAT, depending on which you're powering from, and the device is ready to go. There's no registers to program and no microcontroller needed. To test whether it's working, simply use a piece of metal and bring it in close to the sense coil, and you'll see that the output turns on and off as it crosses the switching threshold. Now, you can also fine-tune the switching threshold with a potentiometer and then reset the device. So there are 3 sections to this EVM. One is the power section. You can actually snap this off and supply your own power. 2, the LDC0851 configuration section. This is where you can control all the different features of the device. And 3, the coil section. By default, this comes with a 20mm stacked coil, which is good for proximity applications. You can use this as is or snap it off and use your own custom coils, which can be designed through our WebBench tools. So out of the box, the LDC0851 EVM works with a lot of proximity applications, including door open and close or lid open detection. Now, if you have an object that's moving and it's not metallic, it's made out of plastic or some other material, you can add aluminum foil or copper tape to it and detect that as it opens and closes. For more information about inductive sensing applications, please visit ti.com/LDC. Thank you.